Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and delicious video. I'm Janelle, and today I'm going to show you some of my current favorite go-to sweet snacks for when I have a sweet tooth. First up, I'm showing you how to make these black and white jam bites. They're so simple and they're basically like a non-recipe recipe. They can be customized in like a gazillion ways, and that's why I love them so much. And secondly, I'm going to be showing you how to make my own homemade turtle pecan bites. Let's just get right into these delicious recipes. Those are so good. Guys need to get on this. I'm telling you. Do it, do it, do it. Sweet, salty, crunchy, creamy, chewy. You got all of it, like all of the good things that a dessert could be is in this little bite. There you go, guys. Two of my current favorite sweet desserts, two-bite deliciousness, I say, and I just love them. I hope you do too. Let me know in a comment below if you end up making either of these recipes. Let me know how they went, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel below if you haven't already. I don't know what you're waiting for. And that's it. I love you guys, and I hope to see you in a future or past video. Bye!